Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My realistic $189 grocery home. Guys, I am exhausted. It is 1:11 in the p.m. in the afternoon. So let's show what I bought. Of course, the 6-pack of the 8-pack of Gatorade for my husband's lunch. And they have the rice that I used to cook on sale. So 20-pound bag of frugal rice. It was on sale from $16.99 to $12.99. So of course I still have some, but you know I had to get that because those sales you gotta grab stuff and stock up. Okay, now let's start with the simple things. 3 of the cherry boxes for my husband. These cherry ices. I'm telling you, I just put these 3 boxes here and basically the freezer is full. Anyways, they have the Popeyes on sale, $1. I only purchased 2 because we have some in the deep freezer. I needed cheese for pasta, lasagna. I like to throw it over salad. So this was $6.99. Then I purchased the small, well not small, but I purchased the yogurt for, I purchased the yogurt, the bowl basket. They were 79 cents each, so I purchased peach and I purchased berries. So yeah, 79 cents. I have not seen a Greek yogurt, non-fat yogurt Greek for 79 cents. So they have this week on sale, even though it's a store brand. I purchased a couple of these. I purchased. I usually buy either the Okiois or Giovanni, but I purchased those. I like to put grapes and strawberries, berries in a bowl. I wash them really good, and then I take a yogurt cup and I put it on top, and that's a great snack, guys. My little one diamond here, she's trying to steal stuff from my bag. No, I didn't purchase grape, but I purchased strawberries. So she's trying to get to the strawberries. You know, she's a fruit thief. All right, I need the potatoes. I've been without potatoes already for like a week, so I purchased potatoes, $3.49. The pasta sauce, $1.69. We need a PB&J. Yes. I didn't look at it and I'm like, I hope I didn't buy the crunchy one, but I bought the creamy one. I buy the bowl basket. To me, it tastes the same. Plus, I like to also use them to make peanut butter cookies. So this was $2.99. My husband needed My husband needed his sugar, and the sugar was $2.29. Well, one of the cans got bended. It's alright. It's not a big deal. Green bean. Oh no. Oh no. I added the no salt added. Yes, no salt added. My husband don't like those. Oh well. And I bought 2 of them. Sweet whole kettle corn. I bought corn. Yeah, no salt. Well, I guess I have to add a little bit of salt, right? It's all right. So I bought 2 of those. I bought pink beans. They had the pink beans for $5. They reduced sodium, but they didn't have pink. And that's basically that we like. So this one were $1.39. They usually $1.69. I bought adobo. It was $3.09. This lasts me for a while, so it's okay. And here is the other can of corn. Oh my gosh. So how are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing good. Oh goodness. We are doing good over here. I purchased 2 of the Goya crackers. So yeah, they were on sale for $1.79. They're usually $2.99. So I bought 2 packages. And you get 6 packages in each. Of course, I purchased Portuguese rolls to make my husband sandwiches for work. That was $2.29. I bought English muffin at $1.69. The cinnamon raisin bagels, they are $2.29. You guys could tell I purchased basically the same things, but sometimes I get stuff on sale and I'd be happy. For an example, they had the butter sculpture bunny shaped salted butter for 25 cents each. They are 4 ounces. So guys, I put 25 cents each is butter. I purchased them. Yes, why not? Because it's in a bunny shape and it's already passed. I bought a couple of those. I think I bought like 3 or 4. So garden rotini. I've been looking for this for a while. They haven't had them for over a year. You have the tomatoes, you have the spinach, you have all of them here. 79 cents. I only purchased 1 because they will last me for a while. And again, guys, I got lucky. The last one that they had, 60 large fresh grade eggs, white, the bowl basket, $7.49. 68. Where have you seen 68 for $7.49? This is the second time that I get lucky. I still have about a dozen in the fridge, so yeah. So when I see it, I'm going to grab it. I won't put it directly in the fridge because I have to fix the fridge. All right, guys. Good diamond. All right. So this time I'm going to leave stuff on the floor. Let me get all the bags over here and untie them so it'll be easier. All right, let's continue. The meat, I didn't purchase any meat because I don't think I did anyways. The meat was really expensive this time. And it's because the prices goes up on some items while they put everything else on sale. So, of course, I bought me fish. This is whole, clean tilapia. So, I got to separate them so like that, you know. So, here's the butter. Here I purchased bone salted pola. We call them bacalao. So I have one in the freezer. I wanted to buy yuca cassava. They didn't have the one that I wanted, the brand that I want, so I didn't purchase. But I purchased this because this is a little expensive. This is $6.99, and it was on sale for $1 off. So $5.99. So I purchased one. I have one already. 99-cent mushrooms. They're a little dark, but it's okay. I'm gonna cook that really quick with, saute. I got sweet plantain. I got 4 sweet plantain. They had them on sale to $4. They're usually 59 cents each, so I got 4. The bananas, they were 49 cents a pound, so I got a whole premium bananas. So yeah. You know, I like to make my banana nut bread and stuff like that. So, and also I like to eat my banana. It's really good for you. I need an onion. So I purchased onion. They were $2.99 for a 3-pound bag. So we got that. I purchased a cabbage, green cabbage. It was 49 cents a pound. I don't know how many these was. I wasn't paying attention. And lettuce, it was $2.29. This tiny little thing, but it was the best one that they had. So I got that. Okay. Then I got an avocado, $2.29, and I got strawberries right here. Oh my goodness. All right. Hey, let me put some of this stuff away and then we're going to continue. Remember, this is what you get with $189 and some cents. I actually tell you exactly. No, $187.77. Total savings, $871. Yeah. All right, let me continue. Hold on. I have to say the yogurt, the peach, it is delicious. It tastes like a regular yogurt. It doesn't taste like man-fat. It's approved by me the first time that I have them. So yes, oh, and it has the fruit on the bottom, and it has a lot of fruit. They're not skimpy about it either. All right. All right, guys, that stuff is put away. Now let's go to shrimp, $6.99. They are always $6.99. And these are the 50-60. It lasts me for the whole month because my husband don't eat shrimp. Of course, sour cream, $1.99. The brand, the one with the flour, Daisy, it was $2.29. So why pay $2.29? I have tried both of them and they both taste good. I usually use this either for when I make potatoes or if I'm baking and I want to add it to the baking to like cake and stuff. It gives it a great flavor. So I got that. You guys know, guys, I couldn't go without buying one of these. $5.99. These were on sale. I haven't bought this since my children were small, but these were on sale. This is real mozzarella cheese, 10 grams of protein, which that's a plus protein. 200 calories, 240 calories per serving. It says 3 to 4 servings. So it's like my husband, I could cut this lasagna in like 6 more pieces. We could eat. My husband could take some from work and we still have leftover. So this is good. And then, oh, it was on sale for $2.99. And then this is 8 grams of protein, barbecue sauce, boneless rib shaped patties. They used to do this at McDonald's. It's the same beef, the same thing. They taste good. So that's how come I bought the Portuguese rolls to make copycat McDonald's barbecue chicken sandwiches. So there you have it, $2.99. So I purchased both of them. I will put that in my deep freezer. New purchase to do my stir fries, California blend. They were on sale for 99 cents. So I bought 2 bags of those. No, the California blend was 79 cents on sale. And the corn was 99 cents. So I bought a corn. And of course, the cheese for my husband's sandwiches, lunch sandwiches. The $2.49. The ham was on sale for $4.99. It usually $6.49. The general salami is still $6.49. So I purchased that. I was looking for the original maple sausage, the one that you get in the meat department. They didn't have any maple, so I wanted maple sausages. So I bought the Velma frozen, just heat and serve. So this is $1.79. You get eight. You get 8 patties in a box. So this is good. So I purchased 2 boxes. Okay, last thing. I bought the coffee creamer 500 servings. $6.49. So I purchased that. Usually there's something that my husband buys at his job, but he buys the big one. It costs $12. But I might as well purchase it there. Also, I bought Martin's Classic Roast Coffee, $6.49. I like this coffee. I don't mind it. It tastes good. So the same price of the cream. And of course, my husband's favorite cereal, Raisin Bran. And I've been looking for this for such a long time. But I was looking for the single servings, like this. I was looking for the single serving. The single serving is one of the little pillows that you sit here on the cover, like this. But you get the big one, you know. So just one little pillow, one serving, you put your warm milk and you eat it. It is delicious. And guys, this is really good and healthy. So it's high on fiber. And if you have issues going to the bathroom, which I don't have that issue, you could use this. But I also like to put them in a bowl without milk and watch TV and munch on it. They're good. All right, guys. You know what I'm trying to say? Either you could have it as cereal in the morning with warm milk, or you could have it as a snack. And usually it's good for the little ones, the kiddos. Guys, that is my grocery haul for this week. This will take me for at least 2 to 3 weeks. So be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile overall. Stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you. And I do too. It will be into the next one. Bye.